Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, where you can find some of the best custom builds right here in the middle of the United States in Salina, Kansas, where we can do something really special for you. We do some custom builds here at McArthur, and we also can customize and get you a custom truck build exactly the way you want it to. Just like we did with this truck right behind us, we're going to cover this truck. This is a customer's custom build. He took what we already do on the Highboy package, and he wanted to change it up a little bit. He wanted to order it on a different vehicle. So just like we mentioned in about all of the videos that we do, is that we do have these custom build packages, but they are not just, you don't have to get them that way. You can actually customize it. You can actually have them based on a different trim or a different cab style, like in this case what we did. And we can also add and subtract anything that you might want. So get a hold of us if you know, hey, I like that Highboy package like this customer did. I like to make a few changes. Here's what I'd like, and then we can make that, build that vehicle exactly the way you want it. So let's go ahead and go over this this vehicle here. Now keep in mind, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can hit that red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to the channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another cool video like this one uploaded to our YouTube channel. And don't forget, we do free shipping for us. So if you are interested in one of our truck builds, custom builds, or even one of our stock units out on our lot, we can have it shipped right to your door. We'll have more information about that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that so you can get more information about that. So let's go ahead and dive right in and talk about some of the factory equipment that he built on this particular vehicle. So let's talk about how this customer equipped this truck from the factory. And again, we typically will base ours off of a regular cab, 4x4 version. He elected to go with the super cab instead, of course 4x4. He also kept with the 8-foot bed. Now on a regular cab, the bed choice you have is only the 8-foot bed. But on a super cab, you can go 6.5 or 8-foot bed. He stayed with that 8-foot bed there. We typically will always order these with the XL with the STX appearance package. He stayed with that, so that gives you some great equipment, but not, you know, having that price jump up too far. The STX appearance package gives you the chrome grille on the front, so really dresses it up from that molded in black. Give me the chrome grille. You'll already have the chrome bumpers as part of the XL package, and you get the chrome accent here on the fender vent right here on the side. Also inside, typically we'd have it come with the cloth seats and the carpeted flooring. He elected to go with the vinyl seats and the vinyl flooring, so you can tell he's probably going to use this on the farm, or he knows it's going to get it dirty inside, and so going with the vinyl seats really helps him be able to wipe that clean and keep it clean. Also, he elected to add to this equipment group the 8-inch touchscreen, that Sync 3 system. So Sync 3 giving you the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, the functionality of the Ford Pass Connect would actually already be standard on the vehicle, but give you that 8-inch touchscreen so you can be able to see as you're backing up the truck with that big 8-inch touchscreen backup camera. Also with this one, he decided, we typically build these on the 7.3 liter Godzilla engine on all of our stock units. He elected to go with the 6.2 liter V8 engine. So as you can see, we can customize. If you want a special order, we can order the truck the way you want it from the factory. In this case, he did super cab. He did the V8 instead of the 7.3, and he made a couple other changes on the interior as well than what we do on our stock unit. So that can be done and customized pretty simply just by letting us know how you want to order from the factory. So here's where we have a little bit of fun. So let's talk about some of the things that we put on the truck versus some things that this customer added to his truck. Now, customer added this up here. He added this nice chrome bull bar. It's an Aries brand bull bar on the front. You can see he also added the KC daylighter lights up here. So, and he added the black covers, which I like there. I like those black covers on there. Nice leather covers. So instead of the plastic ones that come with it. So that's a nice upgrade here on this. And these are wired into the auxiliary switches. So he added he had auxiliary switches added as a standalone option from the factory. So adding those, we were able to wire this into that auxiliary switch number 1. Also, you're going to see these rough country lights up here. So these are nice LED lights on both sides here. These are wired to switch number 2 in the auxiliary switches on there. So it makes it a little real easy to be able to flip that switch and turn these on individually. So if he wants just the front ones and not these, he can do that just by flipping that switch 1. The KC lights on the top of the chase rack, which we'll show you how that looks from the side in just a little bit, but your KC lights up there, those 4 lights, those have the leather covers on them as well, are wired into switch number 3. So all 3 of these can be turned on and off. He also did add the lights on the roof clearance lights up there. You'll notice those have a black treatment to them. So those lights, this is an F250, are not standard on these, so that was added to the truck as well. And we smoked out those clearance lights, so it looks really sharp on this. So you're going to see it some other places where we did that same treatment as well. So moving around over here to the side, we do put a 2-inch front level kit on our Highboy packages. This customer did the same thing, so of course we kept with that. We also put an 18-inch nice polished Pro Comp wheel, nice retro look and style to the wheel, so we of course went with that on this, and he was okay with it. And then typically we'll do a 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2 tires on them. He wanted a 37-inch, so BF Goodrich didn't make one that fit this wheel, so we went to the Nitto brand, and it is a Ridge Grappler model there. Real nice 37-inch tire, looks real sharp, really fills up that wheel well. You'll notice the two-tone stripe on the side that we typically do on our Highboy. He added a little bit something special to it. You'll notice the pinstripe on there. I like the pinstripe. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the pinstripe on this? I think it really just brings it out, makes it look really sharp here on the side. So good call from the customer, I think, but I want to know what you think as well down there. Also here on the mirrors, we added a few things to this. Typically it'll be a black mirror cap. We added the chrome mirror cap. That's the customer wanted that. That was a good call. I've done that on my truck as well. I had some mirror caps put body colored instead of the the molded in ones. It really dresses up the side, really makes a big difference, and it doesn't cost a lot of money to do that. And you do have your blacked out treatments here as well on the turn signal indicator. So blacking it out so it matches with the cab lights up there. Just looks real sharp on the truck here. Also here on the fender vent, typically we'll have the STX badging there, so we take that off. We put this on because since we really do upgrade it from the STX appearance package, we added the Highboy there on the side. See, also window tint on the truck. So you're going to have front window tint as well as these rear ones. I think the back glass in the rear are factory as part of one of the packages, maybe the STX appearance package, and then we added the front window tint as well to the truck. Chase rack. Well, this is we have different styles of chase racks. We're able to get whatever we can get from manufacturers at the time, and right now it's really hard to get those. So whatever we can get, we'll do that. We do switch this out, and we add our own badging over here on the side, the Highboy plate that we have made here in Salina at one of our manufacturers. And then over here on the side, typically you'll have the FX4 badging on the side from the factory. We'll have a red X in there. He wanted it switched out with the black, which is what you typically can see that decal on your black appearance package. So we were able to switch that out for him and add the Highboy down below there. So real cool look here on the side. Couple things in the back I want to show you, the graphics as well as something else he added that we had to custom fit for him. So moving to the back here, a couple things that we typically put on the Highboy package that stayed. One of them is the two-tone stripe here in the back, so we do fit that in there. Have it go around the Super Duty. Also spray and bed liner. So inside the bed, you will see a Toff spray and bed liner. We do that as part of our Highboy package. Of course, we did it on this truck as well. He wanted a bed cover added to the truck as well, so we had to custom fit this bed cover. Not all of them would fit, so we found one that would fit in here with the chase rack. That's the hard part of this. This one will fit. We did have to custom fit it just a little bit, but we have a nice soft tonneau bed cover that he can use on this truck. And then last but not least is the Flowmaster exhaust back here. So he wanted some exhaust added to this truck. Has a great look and has a nice chrome tips, rear exit back here, but also adds a great sound to the 6.2 liter V8 engine. So there you have it. That's this custom build that we did for this one of our customers that wanted a Highboy, but wanted some extra things added to the truck and wanted it equipped a little different from the factory. So we can do all those things for you. If some equipment again you don't like, we can take off. Something you want added on, we can make sure it puts on there. We can find it wherever we need to. We have a lot of sources for the different parts for our custom builds, and if you want it equipped differently from the factory, we can do that as well. So just reach out to us. You can call or send us a text message. Numbers are on the screen, as well as our website right there, which is lawmacarthur.com. And you can see there on lawmacarthur.com, you can see our custom build page. So click on that black Law McArthur Performance logo at the top of the website, and when you click on that, you're going to see the different custom builds that we do in-house. So different, we break it down by models there, so you can see all the different custom builds that we do, and you can just branch off from there. You find one close to what you're wanting, and then we can take it from there. That's probably the easiest thing for us to do. Plus, you'll see towards the bottom of the page, we're also a certified Roush dealer, Salina dealer, SCA Black Widow, as well as Rocky Ridge dealer. So we're certified in all those different upfitter companies. So we do a lot of cool things here at Lawn McArthur. So hopefully you find something you like there. And don't forget, we do free shipping. So the way that works is we do ask you to finance a vehicle with us. Pretty simple. Then you just tell them that you mentioned that you saw the video on YouTube, wanted that free shipping deal, and we can ship this right to your door. Being in Salina, Kansas, we can reach about each coast for less than $1,000. That's usually our cap on that. So if it costs more than $1,000, we'll cover up to the first $1,000 of that, and then we just ask you to finance the vehicle with us. Pretty simple. Most people do ship or finance the vehicle, and that way that cost doesn't get incurred onto you, but then we can have it shipped right to your door. So great way to do business anymore in this day and age. So go ahead and reach out to us. Don't forget, you can find us on social media. We're at Lawn McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to the channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you can get notified the next time of another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to smash the like button. I really appreciate it. And drop your comments down below. And don't forget to share the video out. Until the next video, we'll see you later.